how to calculate average in Excel. Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very simple and clear guide in order to calculate your average in your Excel sheet. So let's just dive right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end for that. So we can start by opening up the sheet containing the data that we would like to calculate the average for. And we can use the average formula here, which is most common. So we can click on the cell where we want the average. For example, let's say this is the cell, and right beside it, what we can do is we can just go and type in is equal to and type in average, and there you can just go over and select the cell, for example 60 B3, and you can type in this sign here and make it this one right here and close it up. After that is done, you can press enter and it will give us the average, and Excel will calculate the average automatically. Apart from that, what we can do is we can select the number like this, and you can look in the bottom right corner of the Excel. Sometimes you will be finding an average option here as well. You can get for average 75 here in this option. You can just go over and check it out, even copy to your clipboard if you want. This is one of the method available. And apart from that, if you want average with conditions, what we can do is we can type in this. So for that, you can type in is equal to and type in average, and there select up the cell, for example 70. After that, type in this sign, and after that type in comma and make it like this and hit enter, and you will be finding the result that you're looking for. You need to make it inside the column, so you can just go over and do so right here and hit enter, and it will give us the value. You can you may just go over and check it out. It's showing error, but you need to go ahead and calculate by this way as well if you prefer, but usually you can apply up to method 1 and 2, which is super easy, and I'll look out for the changes available. And that's it. You can follow this process, which is super easy if you want to find the average. So normal average works fine. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.